Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is John with Education Solutions, and I would like to bring this new video to you about an old web app that's called Kahoot. Now, I'm going to show you the free version. There's a paid version, but with the free version, you can use this in your online classroom, or you can also use it in your face-to-face classroom as well. Also, I noticed in one of the comments in my previous video that was asking about the guitar. So I promise you, if you stick around to the very end, I will show you a little bit of what I can or cannot do with the guitar. So I will see you all at the end, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. I really would appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and let's get into the video. Okay, let's take a look at this here. If you open up a new tab and you go to Google and you just type in Kahoot, this will bring you right up here, kahoot.com. So you'll click here on kahoot.com and it'll bring you over to this home page. And what we need to do is we need to log in. So you'll need to create an account. So once you click on login, it'll bring you to this page here. And it looks like it's a paid, it is a premium website if you want to pay for it. So there's also the free version here. And that's what I want to show you. If you click on where it says continue for free, okay, so once you come onto this area, you'll come up to where you see this this little icon, this avatar, and you'll want to create an account. So once you create an account, then you can start to create your own Kahoots, or you can use any of the Kahoots that people have made in the past. Okay, so you can see on my screen, we're going to do our logo quiz. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up so it's a one-on-one here. So I'm going to hit the teach button there. Now, what you will need, you will actually have to get your smartphone out. Okay. So once we get this ready here, we're going to set up. It's still loading. We're going to do the classic version, which is one-on-one. So you will need to use your smartphone. Okay. All right, so this is loading up here. What I'll need for you guys to do is to please go to kahoot.it. So that would be at, or www.kahoot.it. Kahoot.it. Kahoot.it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to type in this game pin 770-9060. Yep, and then just go ahead and put in your first name right here. This game is going to go very quickly, so you'll have, I believe, 20 seconds to answer. There we go, just one more student. You'll have 20 seconds to answer. Okay, now we're ready to go. So we got all 19 students in here. Okay, and I'll take the top 5 students. The top 5 students here. You'll see a logo, and or it might be a question about a logo, and then you have to choose the best answer. You'll use your smartphone, and you'll choose the best answer. So look at my screen that I'm sharing, and then choose the best answer on your smartphone. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. Again, I'll take the top 5 students here. All right, here we go with the logo quiz, starting in 3 seconds. Okay, question 1. What does this company make? Hopefully everybody gets this one right. Okay, very good. So we got bread, ice cream, hamburgers, or clothes. Again, you got to answer very quickly. All right, ice cream. 23. How many letters can you use when using this SNS? How many letters or how many characters can you use? Oh, it's a tough one. Yeah, 280. They changed it last year, I believe, or maybe 2 years ago. It went up to 280. Okay, good job. Cute. Miharu Yuto just hit an answer streak of 5. Okay, 2 more questions left here, guys. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the winners here. Let me write down my winners. Number 3, we've got Miharu. Very good. Tie. And first place, I believe that was Steven. Yes. And we can take a look at some of the difficult ones here. Oh, how many letters can you use? That one, we had 11 people got that one wrong. Okay, what country is this airline from? Yeah, here's another one that tripped up a lot of people. What company owns this social media platform? Okay, yeah, be careful with that one. All right, what country is this company from? A lot of people thought it's from Saudi Arabia. It's a British company. It's from England. And then who is the founder of Facebook? That was Mark Zuckerberg. What we have on the other side of the screen is the game pin. So this is what your students would see when they open it up on their smartphone here. Okay, so what I like to do here is I share my screen and I go with the player versus player one-to-one devices. This is assuming that everyone has an iPad or a smartphone, preferably a smartphone. And what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll click on the classic right here. So once this opens up here, we're getting ready to join and it's loading up a game pin. Okay, there we go. So there's our game pin. What you would ask your students to do is you would ask them to go to www.kahoot.it. I actually took this. I need to take this video available away here. Anyways, what they'll do is they'll go to www.kahoot.it, Kahoot.it. So once they go to go there, it's going to open up this thing that you see over here on the side, and they'll type in the pin 680. I'll do that right now. 6801671. Okay, and then they'll click on enter. This is on their smartphone, mind you. And then they'll type in their first name and they'll hit okay, go. So you'll see your students will start to populate right here. It says you're in. Again, this is what it looks like for the students here. So then as the teacher or the person running the Kahoot game here, you'll click on start. All right, and we got our logo quiz. And then your students will see on their smartphone over here, it says get ready. Okay, so it says for question number 1, what does this company make right here? So you're sharing this screen right here. What does this company make? Baskin Robbins, 31 flavors. So we've got ice cream. So the students would choose this blue diamond right here. Okay, and then they can automatically see their score. You're on the podium. John has 610 points, and the teacher can see how many students got it correct. You'd go to the next, and you'd see the scores increase right here. Okay, and then I'll do one more question. What country is this airline from? Right here. Let's say that we don't know that this is American Airlines, and we go with Australia. Okay, so we've got this one. Oh, it's not over just yet. The answer streak was lost. You're still on the podium. And we can also see the correct answer right here. Okay, so my score did not go up in this case right here. Okay, so that is what it looks like from the student's perspective. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Also, I hope you smash that like button and also be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be updated with further videos or new videos when they come out. And also, please be sure to share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues as well. So, as I promised, since you made it to the very end of the video, here's a little bit of guitar. Adios.